knowing the perils of the deteriorating roads, and also knowing that taxi and private operators, bus operators, are an essential service, transporting more than 75% of Jamaicans to healthcare, to work, to school, and to other activities. We will reduce the transport authority fee to $1,000. So the transport authority fee will be reduced so that it can have some free up space, some money available to fix those front ends caused by the very bad roads that the government have allowed through their deterioration. We reduced that fee to $1,000, and this in particular was encouraged by future Prime Minister Mark Golding after the meeting with the taxi operators. But additionally, there will be a special loan fund with low interest rate to create cash flow on parts and services for taxi operators to borrow through credit unions and utilize to ensure roadworthiness of their vehicles. The People's National Party will set up police presence as far as is possible in all major bus terminals, but also have a transportation response unit with a special distress signals for taxis to ensure their safety.